For all of human history, we have looked up at the night sky and asked the same questions. Are we alone? What lies beyond the stars we can see? We have told stories, written poems and built great machines, all in an effort to answer this fundamental curiosity that lives within us all. We listen for a whisper, a sign, anything to tell us that we are part of a much larger story. For centuries, the universe has remained silent, a vast and beautiful emptiness that holds its secrets close. But what if that silence was just broken? This is a story about such a moment. Before we can understand the discovery, we must first understand the magnificent machine that made it possible. It is called the James Webb Space Telescope, or JWST for short. It is not just another telescope, it is a time machine. Floating silently in the cold, dark void of space, 1,000,000 miles from Earth, it is the most powerful and complex observatory ever built by human hands. Its giant golden mirror, composed of 18 hexagonal segments, unfolds like a metallic flower. Unlike telescopes that see the light our eyes can see, the James Webb is designed to see in infrared. This is a special kind of light, invisible to us, that can travel through the vast clouds of cosmic dust and gas that block our view. This ability allows Webb to peer into the nurseries where stars and planets are born. It was built to answer some of the biggest questions in science. The target was a planet named Kepler 186f. This world is special. It orbits a dim red star about 500 light-years away from us. More importantly, it sits in what scientists call the habitable zone. Not too hot, not too cold, just right for liquid water to potentially exist. The James Webb Telescope was pointed at it to perform a detailed analysis of its atmosphere. As the telescope stared, it collected faint light and broke it down into a spectrum, a rainbow of chemical information. Hidden within the numbers and light signatures was a message, not of words, but of chemistry. It was a pattern that should not be there. The initial discovery was met with extreme caution. Science demands proof. Extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. Perhaps it was an error in the telescope's instruments or a glitch in the data transmission. Different teams analyzed the raw data independently, trying to prove themselves wrong. They recalibrated, ran diagnostics, and every independent analysis came back the same. The signal was real. Scientists modeled non-biological explanations, volcanoes, photochemical reactions, but models failed to match the data. The simplest explanation was the most world-changing: life. That piece was life. The news of this discovery has not been officially announced in its full, world-altering detail. Instead, it has been spreading quietly through hushed conversations and encrypted emails. Announcing strong evidence of alien life is not like announcing a new moon. It will change culture, religion, and philosophy, our sense of self forever. How do you tell the world something so monumental? How to avoid mass misunderstanding? They are triple-checking, rehearsing responses, building an airtight case before the world stage. But the silence is being perceived as worrying, fueling speculation and conspiracy online. This careful process is seen from outside as a pause, and that pause creates panic for some. They are preparing us slowly for what may come. While the official announcement is still pending, whispers have begun to leak out. Fragments of information, anonymous posts, urgent requests for telescope time. The public is starting to piece the puzzle together. #Webb discovery, #Kepler 186f. Wild theories, cautious optimism, genuine excitement. New amateur astronomers everywhere, staring up in wonder, with a touch of apprehension. Religious leaders and philosophers are already discussing implications for belief systems. Governments consulting advisors, preparing for potential instability. The discovery mirrors our greatest hopes and deepest fears, connecting everyone in shared anticipation. We are all holding our breath. This discovery forces us to confront some of the deepest philosophical questions we can ask. For millennia, our stories, religions, and sciences have shaped how we see ourselves. If life is confirmed on Kepler 186f, it challenges the idea that Earth is unique. It suggests we are not the sole protagonists of the cosmic drama. For scientists, the meaning is found in the pursuit of knowledge. More observations, more spectra, more tests. They will map the planet, search for seasonal changes, and look for additional biosignatures. For many others, the search for meaning is personal and spiritual. It invites us to re-evaluate belief. It is an opportunity to come together as a global community. With humility and wonder, the search for meaning becomes a collective one. We stand at a remarkable crossroads in human history. The James Webb has opened a door we can never again close. Chemical whispers from Kepler 186f, whether life or exotic chemistry, they have already changed us. They have ignited our collective imagination. The coming weeks and months will bring more analysis, more debate, and eventually a formal announcement. Embrace it with curiosity, not fear. Keep looking, keep asking, and remain open to discovery. Our journey into the unknown continues. The next discovery is always one observation away. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to Cosmic Discover.